So how can you fix blurry pictures sent from iPhone to Android? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you need to know how exactly you are sending the photo, right? If you're using the built-in Messages app on the iPhone, well, you need to ensure that you are not using the MMS over the carrier service, like the, multimedia photos sharing, which will most definitely lower down the quality, and that's definitely not ideal, right? So on your iPhone and on the Android, you need to ensure you enable the RCS messaging, which is the rich communication service. I believe that the shortcut is for, but the point is that with this enabled, it is sort of like iMessage, but between multiple different platforms. And that's most definitely going to deliver a higher quality photos and videos, and you should enable that, right? That would be one thing. However, of course, you don't have to stick with just the Messages app, as apps like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger are most definitely designed for that purpose. They work across all platforms, and you can send photos and videos back and forth, which are going to be in a good enough quality. I believe that there is a little compression going on, but not really anything noticeable. So you can also just set up a communication that way and ensure that the pictures end up in a high quality on the other device. And I'm not even mentioning like stuff like Google Drive or a different cloud services where you can upload photos and share the link. I mean, that would work out as well. So let me know what you think about that. Let me know if you managed to turn on one of these options and enhance the photos of, your sharing. So let me know about that. Subscribe for tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.